HobbyKidsVids.
We've left the Grand Teton area and now we're in Yellowstone. If you go to Yellowstone, you're almost guaranteed to see some bears. The baby bears are so cute, but watch out, there's a mama nearby. Bison are even more popular than bears. They're everywhere in Yellowstone. We walked around this mud volcano area and there was all kinds of weird things going on in the ground. This is the mud cauldron. You can see all the water bubbling underneath. The bison love it here as much as the people do. Maybe the ground is warm, or maybe they're getting a spa day with all this mud. Hi, HobbyTiger! Every day I'm bubbling. The ground is changing underneath of us all the time and we don't even realize it. Bison! We all got some great exercise walking around to all these cool features. And finally, we're at Mud Volcano.
Where did it come out?
It comes out of the earth. This baby is so cute. It seems like this mama bear hears something or smells something, and she's looking around and keeping on guard to watch over her babies and make sure they're safe. We saw a rock badger, but he was really far away, and he wasn't moving very much. So that's how close it is to our car. Not very far at all. Not afraid of us, but not charging us either. Ooh, it's drooly and slobbery. You can take a bicycle path around to see all of the different geysers at Upper Geyser Basin. It was nice weather when we started, but then it rained. This is Morning Glory Pool. This would have been so much prettier if the sun was shining. This one is Castle Geyser. This is Grotto Geyser. We bicycled back just in time to see Old Faithful. Tried. Well, I got wet anyways. Yeah, it was worth it.
How was that biking in the rain?
Pretty harsh.
This is the world famous Old Faithful Geyser.
I thought it was going to go way higher.
It is. Right here in the middle. Oh, there it is.
Old Faithful usually goes off every hour and a half, and the eruption can last from 1.5 minutes to 5 minutes. After we watched Old Faithful Geyser, we went into the Ranger program, where we learned all about different animals, antlers and horns and fur. HobbyTiger and HobbySpider even got to hold some of the animals' fur and antlers. How cool!
First of all, you need to make a lot of noise when you're in a country, especially out there hiking with a small group of people. They always say 3 or more people.
When you see this many cars stopped in Yellowstone, it's usually because there's an animal somewhere. So we kept looking, and we found more bears.
There was 3.
That cub is just giving its mama all kinds of kisses.
Oh, that's just
Let's have a look. Come on up over here, guys, so you can see. We can go over this together. How about that?
It's our last day in the park and time for the boys to get their Junior Ranger badges.
Stay away from animals. Even if you want to pet them, don't do it. That's perfect. Need you to write your name there and sign it. And read what you're signing. Let me have your attention. I have with me two young people who've completed all the work and requirements necessary to become Yellowstone's newest Junior Rangers. They did a great job. If you would join me in congratulating them on their work, and consider them as Junior Rangers. Great job, man. Good job, guys. Thanks.
I got the bear.
Okay.
I got the most popular one.
Thanks so much.
Those are beautiful. Get a cool picture. Awesome.
Look at those. Look at that one.
This trip to Yellowstone sure wore out the boys, but it was fun and worth it.
I'm not hungry.
We saw upper and lower falls. We saw some of them from close up and some of them from far away. And some of them we saw from close up and far away. They're all so beautiful. Can you, oh, how cute. Is it a moose? Let me see how cute that moose is. Oh, how cute. What does it do?
Good.
You squeeze the poop.
Here's the bird.
It's a bear, and it has the same thing. You squeeze the poop. Bison alert. Elk alert. All the animals look really furry because they're losing their winter coat. This was the highlight of our trip. A whole herd of bison was coming up the road right towards our car. That lady's trying to get a picture. Hurry up and get out of the way, lady. You're gonna get ran over by a bison. We stayed in our car while we watched the herd of bison walk right past our window. There were even cute little baby bison. We could stay in Yellowstone forever. There's more bison and bubbling water coming out of the ground everywhere. You almost feel like you're on a whole different planet. So bizarre. And of course, the boys found some time to skip rocks on the river. More pronghorn. Bye, Yellowstone and cute baby bears. See you next time.
Parents, subscribe for the world's best shows with learning fun. And don't forget, you can press the little info button in the top right corner to keep the hobby fun going. You don't want to miss another episode, so come on, press that button now.